I am a board member of 2 non-profit organisations, and it's added a wonderful dimension to my life. And now I have the privilege of working with women who are seeking board roles on non-profits, and I hope being able to give really useful guidance to them.
What I enjoy from the Women on Boards network is the extensive communication that they offer to members. They do weekly updates. They also give a weekly notice on board vacancies, so I can see the potential pool out there. They do have very good quality trainers and mentors, as I've experienced. And I've been part of the women's sort of championing women empowerment, getting better participation at decision-making processes since the early stage of my career. So it's a match between my value and what the Women on Board has got to offer. I think that's where the marriage works.
Finding opportunities, and that's not the most important reason, but I really like being part of the network because our opportunities do come up. I'm still thinking about my next board role, but I'm just too busy at the moment. But the best part for me has been meeting great women like Sheena and Ruth, etc.